Guess what? Nick is training to be in the Special Air Service.
I am going to join the SAS.
He thinks it's the same as being a scout.
I was in the Scouts.
Hector has been working a lot with Eunice recently.
Shall we go and try out some sleeping bags now, Hector?
Oh.
And he came home at 1:15 in the morning. Where have you been? A few beers with the lads, he said. Puh, I could smell Eunice's perfume on him. When did the lads start wearing ladies' perfume?
Oh, yes! I've got it!
Oh, it was my turn for the toy.
No, you've got the Incredible Hulk, so I get 2 turns. Hey, Nick.
Huh?
What do you think of Eunice?
Ha! Well, she isn't an English rose.
No, I don't think she is a flower.
No, it's a saying, an English rose. A sweet, pretty girl, like Annie.
Oh, no. Eunice is not a sweet, pretty girl.
No. Eunice is more,
What is that plant that grows all over walls in England?
honeysuckle. Wallflower. Ivy?
Yeah, ivy. Eunice is more like English ivy.
What do you mean?
Well, she...
Likes dancing?
No,
She's all over you?
Look at...
Do you like it? I see trouble ahead.
What's so funny? Come on, share the joke.
It's Hector.
Hector came home late last night, is that it?
He was out with Eunice.
Oh, don't worry about Eunice. She likes flirting, that's all. Hey, this'll cheer you up. Look what I found.
Oh, it's pictures of us when we were brownies. Oh, and you're wearing the brownie uniform.
It still fits.
Oh, look at all your badges. What was the brownie law?
A brownie guide thinks of others before herself.
And does a good turn every day.
Remember the brownie law, Annie?
Okay. Okay. Hello, Hector. How are you?
Fine.
Did you have a good night's sleep? What was left of it?
Dib, dog. What's all this then?
It is the brownie salute.
Ha! That's not a salute. This is a salute. What do you think, Hector?
Well, both salutes are nice.
Brownies.
Or Scout?
Brownies.
Or Scout?
What are you talking about? What are brownies? Biscuits?
When Bridget and I were little girls, we were brownies. We went camping, we sang songs.
We were given badges for good work.
Oh, brownies are for girls. In the Scouts, we survived.
It was just like being in the SAS, wasn't it, Nick?
So what are all those badges for?
This one is for first aid.
And what is second aid? Or third aid?
First aid is for helping people who are hurt.
How hurt?
Like if they can't breathe.
Shall I demonstrate, Bridget?
Go ahead, Annie.
Lie down, please, Hector. Now, this is called the kiss of life.
Oh, sounds good.
It means I breathe into your mouth.
Uh-huh.
And if you still can't breathe, I do this.
Well, that is... Oh,
And I keep doing this until you can breathe. Are you breathing yet?
yes, I can breathe.
And that is my good turn for the day.
Now, Nick. Bites and stings.
No thanks. Of course, when I was in the Scouts, I went camping.
So did we.
Ah, but this was proper camping. Survival.
What, like the SAS?
We had to live off the land.
What? No tins of baked beans?
Whoa.
So could you do a survival test?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah?
Right then. We will give you a survival test.
Great.
What is a survival test?
You'll see. Just be prepared.
Ready for your survival test, boys?
Certainly am.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Test number 1.
The jungle is full of horrible things that creep and crawl.
In some that wriggle everywhere.
Especially...
Okay. Test number 2.
food. You have run out of food, so you have to eat whatever you can find. Open very wide, please.
Ready? Okay. Test number 3.
Pain. I haven't touched you yet.
I'm sorry, boys. You have failed the survival test.
But in the jungle, it is going to be different.
Yeah, well, we were just pretending.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't real.
Oh.
What? Like real camping? Why don't we do it?
Do what?
Let's go camping.
We haven't got a tent.
Well, Hector can get us a tent from the National Camping Exhibition.
Huh?
Well, isn't tomorrow the last day of the exhibition?
Yeah.
And you and Eunice will be doing another report.
Yeah.
Well then, you can buy a tent and come home early. Oh, you'll miss your drinks after work. Shame. Oh.